In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a newsletter sign-up form in wixwix.com, whether you're looking to grow your mailing list or keep your visitors updated with your latest news and promotions. Adding a newsletter sign-up form to your Wix website is a fantastic way to engage your audience. To get started, open your Wix website editor. Once you're there, focus your attention on the left-hand panel of your screen. You want to look for the Add Elements button. This is where you have access to all sorts of features and functionalities that you can incorporate into your website. Clicking this button will open up a menu filled with an array of options. Next, from this menu, you'll see a category titled Contact and Forms. Clicking on it will open another subset of options specifically tailored to managing interactions with your visitors, such as via contact forms, surveys, and more importantly for this video, newsletter sign-up forms. Once you've clicked into the Contact and Forms menu, look for the option labeled Subscribe. This is your gateway to several different pre-made templates for sign-up forms, each designed to suit various aesthetic tastes and functional needs. Click on Subscribe, and you'll be presented with several design choices. With these options in front of you, take a moment to browse through and select a newsletter form that fits best with the style and feel of your website. Each form can be customized, so don't worry if it's not perfect immediately. It's just a starting point. After you've chosen a newsletter form that aligns with your site's design, simply click on it and drag it over to the part of your web page where you want it placed. Once you're happy with the position, let the form rest there. This intuitive drag and drop feature makes it so easy to adjust the position of your form until it looks just right. Now that your form is in place, you might want to customize it further. By double-clicking on the form, you'll open the Settings tab where a plethora of options are available for you to tweak according to your preferences. This includes changing text, adjusting styles, or even setting up automated responses to keep your new subscribers engaged right from the get-go. Take your time here to look through the settings and customize every detail to your liking. And there you have it. Success. You've successfully added a newsletter sign-up form to your Wix website. With your form in place, you're now ready to start gathering subscribers and expanding your reach. Remember, clear calls to action and compelling content are important in keeping your audience engaged and subscribed. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I look forward to seeing how your mailing list grows. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your website and engaging your audience.